In this video, I'll guide you through how to withdraw an application on LinkedIn. Whether you found a better opportunity or simply changed your mind, withdrawing an application is a straightforward process, and I'm here to help you through it step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the necessary features. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look for the top navigation bar. You'll see several options there, but what you need to do is click on the Jobs tab. This will take you to LinkedIn's job portal where you can manage your job search activities. Now, once you're in the Jobs section, direct your attention to the left side of the page. You'll find a menu there and you need to click on Job Tracker. This is where all your job application activities are organized, making it easier to keep track of all the positions you have applied for. After clicking on Job Tracker, you'll be presented with a list of your job applications. Here, you should click on the Applied tab. This will filter the list to show only the jobs you have actively applied for. It's a neat way to focus only on what you need without any distractions. Next, browse through your list of applications and select the one you wish to withdraw. Simply click on the job title or the company name to proceed. This action will bring you to a page with more details about your application. On this page, look for the three-dot icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of the application details. Clicking on these three dots will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the options available, choose Send in a Message. This option allows you to communicate directly with the recruiter or hiring manager regarding your application status. Now, you'll need to type in the recipient's name. It's usually best to address the recruiter or hiring manager by name if possible, as it adds a personal touch to your message. If you're unsure of the name, you might find it in the job listing or any previous communication you've had. Once you have the name set, it's time to compose your message. Clearly state that you wish to withdraw your application for the position. It's a good idea to keep your message polite and professional. You might say something like, "I appreciate the opportunity, but I would like to withdraw my application at this time." This ensures you leave a positive impression, as you never know when you might want to apply to the same company in the future. Finally, after you've reviewed your message for any errors or omissions, click the Send button. Your message will be delivered to the recipient, officially withdrawing your application from consideration. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to withdraw an application on LinkedIn. Remember, it's important to handle these situations professionally, as maintaining good relationships in your network can be valuable for future opportunities. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it too.